Hello friends, welcome back to another video. This is ABS and you are watching ABS Tech channel. In this video we are going to explain the Pundi X, what's the price changes occur in the Pundi X at the last 1 hour, in the last 2 hours, what's the price changes, what's the high price. We are saying about this video the Pundi X price changes, the high price of Pundi X, as it is good for us, as Pundi X maybe they give us profit on loss. And this video I'm going to explain you. So before starting this video, please hit the subscribe button now and support me. If you listen my voice, please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't ignore my words, kindly support me. Now let's see what's the price change occur in the Pundi X in the last 1 hour, in the last 2 hours. Let's see the price prediction of Pundi X in the previous last. First of all, we look the changes of last 1 hour of the Pundi X. So as you can see now, the currently Pundi X changes on the graph. First of all, we look the changes on the graph. So if we look the changes of the graph of the Pundi X, so if we look the Pundi X falls down. So the first of all, we look the average level of Pundi X. That is the average level of the Pundi X in the previous last 1 hour. That is the average level of the Pundi X. So let's see now. Currently, if we look the graph of the Pundi X, so currently they are grows up. Now the currently level of the Pundi X about is this position. So now currently that is clear that the Pundi X grows up. We can say that the Pundi X jumping upward, as you can see here. We say that the Pundi X jumping upward from the average level of the Pundi X in the last 1 hour. So that is why you are looking here, the changes is in positive 0.65% occur in the last 1 hour, and the high price of the Pundi X is about 0.00762% occur in the last 1 hour. Now at this time we compare the live price prediction, live price changes, live chart changes with the last 2 hours. As it grows up, as it compare with the 2 hour. Now we look the changes of the Pundi X. We understand the changes of the Pundi X if we compare. Oh my god, as you can see here, that is the reality of Pundi X at this position. We understand the reality of Pundi X. We understand the reality of the cryptocurrency marketing. As you can see here at this point, the average point of the last 2 hours is about at this position. As you can see here, the average point level of the last 2 hours. That is the average level of the last 2 hours of the Pundi X. And now if we look the currently level of the Pundi X on the graph, so the currently Pundi X level of the graph is about at this position. As you can see here, it is at this position now. The currently now at this time the profit of us is clearly, now at this time we see our profit or loss. Now it is clear to see what's occur in the cryptocurrency market to you. I update you what you should do at this position. I will give you suggestion, and after that your opinion, what you want to do in the future, what you want to do. It's your opportunity. As you can see here, now the changes of the Pundi X. Let's see the changes. And now at this time you look your changes in the Pundi X. Now the average level you see on the graph, and the currently level you see on the graph. Now as you can see here, the changes of the Pundi X is about that. As you can see here, that's the changes occur in the Pundi X in the last 2 hours. Now you said me in the comment box as that jumping in the Pundi X, as it the falling of the Pundi X. Now if we look the Pundi X graph, so it's still us that the Pundi X falls down in the average level in the previous last 2 hours. They are falls down in the average level in the previous last 2 hours. As you can see here, that's the average level of Pundi X. That is the average level of Pundi X. And now currently they are in this level. So it's clearly that the Pundi X falls down at the average level. Now the currently Pundi X is in the fall. So in the previous last 1 hour, in the start of this video, we looked the last 1 hour result. So here is the Pundi X in the positive. Why? Because that is the price prediction of last 1 hour. Because the price change, because the jump in the Pundi X jump in the last 1 hour. That is why in the average level of last 1 hour the Pundi X jumps upward. So if we look the average level of the Pundi X, so it is clear that the Pundi X falls down in the previous last 2 hours. So my suggestion to sell it and be safe from loss. What's your opinion about Pundi X? Please share in the comment box, because I need your opinion. I am also a Pundi X holder. Please share your opinion with us. Your opinion is very important for me. Please share your opinion in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel. Stay connected with us because I update you every hour about Pundi X, not about only Pundi X. I update you every cryptocurrencies like Cardano, like Bitcoin, like Ethereum. I update you every cryptocurrencies. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates about cryptocurrency markets.